Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we will see the built-in Python functions on sets. Let us begin with the length. Length function returns an int type specifying the number of elements in the set collection. If we apply length on set 21, it returns the total number of elements in the set. There are 12 elements in this set 21. Next we have the minimum method. This function returns the smallest item from a collection. For example, in this set 21, the smallest element is 1. Returns the largest item in an iterable or the largest of the 2 or more arguments. In set 21, the largest element is 12. The sum function returns a total sum of the items contained in the iterable object. If we apply sum on set 21, it results the total sum of all the elements. Next, sorted. This method returns a sorted list from the iterable in the ascending order. If the reverse is equal to true, then we will get the sorted elements in the descending order. Next, we have the reversed function. This method returns a reverse iterator over the values of the given sequence. But unfortunately, we cannot apply reverse on the set object because sets are unordered collections of data elements. So there is no index position to reverse the set elements. We can only sort the set elements from smallest to largest. Let us convert this set into list and apply reversed on this list. Because reversed can be applied on sequence. Set is nothing but an unordered collection sequence, not the ordered collection sequence. Whereas we can apply sorted on the iterable object. So iterable is nothing but the one we can iterate. So there is a difference between iterable and sequence. We cannot iterate through all the sequences, but we can iterate through all the iterable object. So that's why the reversed can be applied only on the sequence, not on the iterable. So let us convert this set into a list which can act both as an iterable and sequence, and apply reversed on this list. So we got the reversed iterator object at a specific location. Let us use the for loop to extract each element in the reverse iterator object. For each item in the reversed set, extract the item and display it. So here we can see the reversed set elements after converting a list and applying for loop on the iterated object. We can use the next method to iterate over each item in the reversed iterator. For example, after converting set 21 into a list underscore new and applying reversed on this new list, you can iterate using the next method. For each item in the reversed object, if item is not equal to an empty set, print reverse dot underscore underscore next. Means iterate over each object. Else if item is equal to an empty set, then stop the iteration. Means print the or display the sentence iteration stopped. Means if there is no element in the set, then this underscore underscore next method will fail it to iterate. So let us run this cell and see the result. Let us apply this next method directly without using the if for loop and if else if conditional flow and see how it works. Set 21, we are converting this set into a list, and after that we are reversing the list, and then we are applying next on this reversed object. Next once, next, and then next. We are iterating over the reversed object 24, 20, 12, and then 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then stop iteration, because after 1 we don't have any elements in the set. Next we have all method. It returns a boolean value that indicates whether the collection contains only values that evaluate to true. Means we know that in Python 0 is considered as false, 0.0 is also considered as false. The positive value, string values and other non-empty values are considered as true, whereas empty string is also considered as an false in Python. Means if all the values of the set are greater than 0 and non-empty, if the set has string values, they should be non-empty string. So in this set 21 we have all the numeric values which are greater than 0 and 0.0. So we have got true here. Let us modify this set and insert 0 and apply all on this modified set. We got false because this set has 0th element. In Python 0 is nothing but false. Let us check how it works on true and false boolean expressions. We are applying all on this list of elements true, false, and also on true, true, and also on empty list and empty set. Empty set, empty list, and with the list of elements true, true results true, whereas on the list which has the element or the boolean expression false results false. All method on empty list will results true. All method on empty set also results true, because empty list and empty sets are considered as the true objects. Any method returns a boolean value that indicates whether the collection contains any values that evaluate to true. Here any value should be greater than 0. Let us apply this on set 21. We got true. Even if we apply this any method on modified set with the 0 value, then also we will get true, because observe the definition carefully, whether the collection contains any value. Any values means this any method will look for any of the values which are greater than 0 and it will ignore the 0th value, whereas all method will look for all the values which should be all the values should be greater than 0 or 0.0. Result true in Python, whereas any method works like if any one of the element is true, then the result will be true, whereas all method or function works like an AND operator. It checks for all the values which are true, then only the result will be true. Any method works like an OR boolean expression or boolean operator. In other words, the OR logical operator, then the expression becomes true. So any method works like an logical OR operator. Let us look at the any method on this true and false, and here any method on this empty list results false, because empty list consists of no elements and empty set also consists of no elements. Any one of the elements should be true, but here there is no element in the empty list and empty set, hence we got false. It returns true if boolean of x is true for any x in the iterable, and if the iterable is empty, returns false as per the definition. So for empty list and empty iterable it results false, whereas the all method returns true if the iterable is an empty object.